All right, welcome back, YouTube. Happy Easter yet again. It is 12:25 and I am finished. I set my goals at installing the new Derale 40 did I say 40? I think it's 40 pass transcooler. I had to order the 180 switch for it. I also have a lower temperature switch. So we're gonna just see how things go here. And I had to move this anyway from the 8-pass cooler because I need to start making way for the mini tub action back here, and then I'm gonna clean up this framework. So I'm gonna trim this out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna cut this back probably 2 inches, maybe a little less. I don't need much of a mini tub here. The sway bar kit's welded in, everything's bolted, painted. The trans lines were short, so I moved them to this other side and just had to repurpose some other 8 AN lines that I've had. I pulled the fuel line away from here because I'm gonna start getting some work done in there. I don't know if I'm gonna pull the fuel line out or not. Probably not. Looks like I have enough room to get in there and ninja my way in. Still have some brackets I need to remove from the old exhaust system from many moons ago. No sense in carrying around extra weight. And I'll bring you back to once I get this finished and wired in. Thanks for watching.